question from Vitali on exactly what data you can get through the App Store Connect. It's a good question. It comes up a lot. Can you track installs, store impressions, ratings over time?
Yeah, so App Store is a difficult one just because of the privacy piece. You can put those aggregate high level metrics in there as long as the API from Apple allows you to pull out that metadata. If it does, then you can just send it straight through. So I'm pretty sure that you can pass through, for example, impressions and installs, etc. What I would recommend is to have another tool like an Appsflyer, which will then pass through that reporting directly on a user level, because the App Store Connect is really useful for that high level detail. You'll have the total number of impressions, the total number of clicks, the total number of installs, for example. But then something like an Appsflyer will allow you to understand exactly how a user has got onto the App Store and how exactly a user is then clicking through and then installing that application. So there's two different ways that you can do it. You can get the aggregate data from the API. So double check through on the App Store Connect documentation on what's available in the API. You can pass that through. Otherwise, look at third-party tools if you want to get to the user level related information, just because of the privacy that you obviously have to work through on the Apple Store.